Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Notion like I have right here. So turning on dark mode on Notion is real easy and I'm going to show you how in this tutorial. So right here I have Notion open with my notes for computer and I'm going to go over here to settings, and once I click on settings you see here that there's a dark mode toggle, which as soon as you turn off, you get dark mode turned off. So usually people have Notion like this. I really hate this, and so go to settings and click right here to turn on dark mode on Notion. And the easier way to do this is just Ctrl+shift+l. Ctrl+shift+l. There you go. So that's how you turn on dark mode on Notion. It would make my day if you sub to the channel, and if you have any doubts or ideas for newer videos, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Link to this video wallpaper in the description box.